Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's Missy Mills here. I hope everyone is doing well. So today I am back with another video showing you guys how to make hair growth serum. This one is mainly for eyebrows and eyelashes. So to start off, you need any container to mix up your oils. I'm going to be using my Beaker, and I have castor oil here. As we know, castor oil is really good when it comes to hair growth. It can be your actual hair, eyelashes, or your eyebrows. So yeah, and then I have vitamin E oil, as it can make your eyelashes appear thicker, longer, and healthier. So I'm just putting 2 to 3 drops, or any amount you would love to put there, it is fine. And I have this preservative oil, and it helps to extend the shelf life of your products. And I have as well coconut oil, as it is the best natural remedy for promoting both eyelashes, eyebrows growth. It makes the lashes look bolder and thicker, so that's why I decided to add that as well. So that's all the oils you need to make your hair growth serum. So now I am just mixing up the oils, and you don't really have to do much. That is all, and then your hair growth serum, it is done. So I started adding up a bit more oils, as I thought the one which I had put in there already, it wasn't going to be enough to fill up in my tubes. So that's why I am adding all the oils, guys, as you can see, to add up the amount of my serum. So the serum is all ready now, guys. So now I am just filling up my tubes. I have these 10 ml tubes. If you have not watched my previous video on how I made my labels, then you need to go and watch it, guys. And this was less than £5 labels, proper DIY. So go and watch it. Guys, I decided to be a little bit extra here. I am adding this shimmer. It's Pixie shimmer from TKB Trading. I thought, let me try to put a little bit, in my oil and see. And this is for my personal use, guys. It's not for me to sell. But if you think that it's a good idea to add a little shimmer in our oils, then please leave the link, leave the comments down below. And it's actually good, guys, because every time when I'm applying it on my eyebrows and my lashes, it doesn't show any shimmer at all. It always comes out clear. Look, guys, how this serum looks. It is nice and gorgeous, sparkly, glamorous. Oh my god, it is everything. It's everything. I love it. If you think it's a good idea to add up this shimmer into our oils, then please leave a comment down below. Now I am just putting these toppers on my tubes, and that's all I'm gonna be doing, guys, and close the tubes, obviously, so I'm not going to be really explaining much on that one, guys, as we all know how to close the tubes. So if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below, guys, and thank you so much for watching. I shall see you all in the next video. Bye.